Manifest and route verification, please.
Here they are, headed for debarking.
Everything seems in order. Welcome to PaperOne.
Okay, bringing this one down now. Clear the binders when it settles.
Check the viscosity against the standard.
It matches the 10 a.m. reference. Cook quality is stable.
Formation looks good here.
Vacuum levels holding steady at 45.
The camera focuses on the reel section, where the continuously run paper web is wound onto a steel spool core.
Okay, bring it up slowly.
Spool ends are aligned. Locking it now.
Threading the web. Tension looks good.
Boiler pressure is holding steady at optimal levels.
Good. Turbine output remains strong.
The chemical recovery cycle at PaperOne is a sophisticated system that recovers and regenerates the cookie.
Look at the trajectory here. Water usage is down again.
Yeah. Yes, the new filtration system is performing exceptionally well.
This new instrument allows for real-time surface smoothness analysis. As you can see, the result is 15.2 microns.
Look at the color reproduction here. It's significantly brighter.
Yes, the data confirms the reliability scores are much higher.
Exactly. Independent testing proves the value.
Manifest confirms Paper1 Lot 3D4B. Clear to load on Bay 7.
Roger that. Confirming Bay 7.
You'll want to adjust the flow rate right here to initiate the speed change.
And monitor the tension levels on screen 3.
Precisely. You've got this.
The vibration spectrum looks good, documenting the findings on the tablet.
Bleaching plant, chemical feed adjusted. Confirm stability on Site 5.
The quality prediction model indicates we should adjust the steam pressure proactively.
Good catch. Let's prioritize that this morning.
The shoe press technology used in the PaperOne paper machine achieves significantly higher water removal and moisture content profile showing a small elevation on one side of the machine that the operator is addressing by making an adjustment to the steam heating.
The camera visits the Effluent Monitoring Laboratory, a dedicated facility within the factory environmental management system.
Machine speed is holding at full capacity.
Confirmed. Quality metrics are green across the board.
As you can see, Decibel, the PaperOne A4.
The data clearly indicates that this formulation outperforms the others in terms of print quality and runnability.
From supporting education to protecting our environment, we are proud to be a part of this community.
The real change on a modern paper machine is a high-speed automated sequence lasting only a few seconds.
The drainage elements directly impact the fiber alignment.
And what about the consistency at the head box?
Ensure the speed differential is set exactly to the standard operating procedure.
If we look at the data, the root cause is clearly the moisture content. And the results show a 40%.
Can you show me the data logs for the past quarter?
Certainly. As you can see, our discharge levels are well below the regulatory limits.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage process from GIF conceptualization to EO3 generation in 3 to this step. This channel is dedicated to renewing craftsmanship and follows our 2026 beauty monetization rules.